Lately, these historical YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos are getting millions upon millions of views. Despite being easy and simple to make, these two YouTube channels have absolutely blown up, going from 0 to 200,000 plus subscribers in 8 months. And that's only by telling stories of historical figures using the power of AI. And these videos are actually insanely engaging. In this video, I will show you how to recreate these videos so you can attract some views across the social media platforms. Let's first take a look on these channels' analytics. This channel right here is getting 50 million views every month with these types of videos. That's about $20,000 in ad revenue. And this other channel is getting 20 million views every month, which equals around $8,000 in ad revenue. If you keep watching until the end of this video, I'll show you more ways to make money from these kinds of videos. So stay tuned. For this video, we'll need a few things. ChatGPT to help with the script, AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo, and a video editing software such as Premiere Pro or Capcut. We'll also use an AI voice generator like ElevenLabs or DubDub. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step tutorial. The first thing to do is create the script. I'll explain 2 methods for doing this. The first method involves using ChatGPT. You can visit the ChatGPT platform and ask it to write a paragraph about the main idea of your video. However, there's a chance that what you generate might not become very popular because people might not find it interesting. To increase your chances of success, I recommend using the second method. First, choose a video that you like and copy its URL. Then go to the website DubDub and use their transcribed feature to convert the spoken words in the video into text. After that, head back to ChatGPT and ask it to rephrase that text for you. This way, you'll have a script that's ready and optimized to have a better chance of becoming popular on the platform you're using. Now, we have to generate the images and the B-roll. I recommend using Midjourney for this task, but if you can't afford the paid subscription, then you can use Leonardo instead. Now, if you have the GPT-4, you can ask it to generate the prompts for you and just paste them into Midjourney. If not, just try different prompts until you find the right one. If you want this kind of quality images, you have to use Midjourney. So, I recommend investing some money into a Midjourney subscription. But for now, let's just settle with Leonardo. First thing is go into app.leonardo.ai, then go into AI image generation, and start generating images for every scene of the video. You can use a lot of different prompts. You will find a PDF file down below with some of the prompts you can use. Feel free to keep generating until you find the right images and styles for your video. Now that we've made the script using ChatGPT and created the pictures with Leonardo, it's time to make the voice recording. There are many tools that use AI to change text into speech. For me, I'm going to use ElevenLabs. Let me explain how. First, open ElevenLabs and find the voice library section. I found a voice that I really liked, so I picked it. Next, return to ChatGPT, copy the script we made before, and put it into ElevenLabs. Delete any empty parts, and then press the Generate button. Now let's listen to how it sounds.
Once upon a time, 2 powerful kings, Cambyses and Amasis, lived in different places. Cambyses asked Amasis for a doctor, but the doctor was sad to leave his family. When the doctor went to Cambyses, he wanted to get back at Amasis. He told Cambyses to ask for Amasis's favorite daughter as a gift. Amasis didn't want to make Cambyses angry, so he sent another girl, pretending she was his daughter. The girl didn't like this lie.
You get the point. Now we are going to edit the video and enhance it to the best of our ability. Import the voice and the images into Capcut and drag the voice into the sequence. Next, we need to eliminate the empty parts in the voiceover. To achieve this, use the Cut tool to remove all the gaps, ensuring that the voice sounds seamless and polished. Then, we need to begin adding the pictures we generated earlier. First, change the aspect ratio to 9:16 as it's the intended format. Then, start incorporating the pictures and resize them to fit the screen. Aim to switch pictures every 3 to 5 seconds so the viewers don't get bored. Repeat this process for all the pictures. Okay, Now we're going to make things a bit more interesting by adding some transitions and animations. To start, we'll use the Zoom 1 animation and make sure it lasts for the whole image. We'll also put a transition that makes the first image slide to the left. And bring in the second one, it's called left. After that, let's head over to the animation section and pick the combo option. You can choose any effects you like. I suggest trying out pendulum 1 or 2 for a cool look. Apply the left slide transition again, then add the pendulum effect once more. You can repeat this for the rest of the images, trying different effects and transitions. If you want, you can also use the pan left effect to give the picture a nice, smooth movement. Take your time to check out all the available transitions to see which ones you like best. Oh, and there's also the whoosh transition that works well for this type of video. So just do the same thing for all the images you have in your project. Let's see how it looks. Now we just need to add the music, the captions, and a little more animations. Let's make the visuals more interesting by adding extra effects. Start with the clear effect to sharpen the images, put it on the timeline, and make it fit the whole video. Now go to the Effects tab and look for these kinds of effects. Try out different ones for different scenes. For example, if a scene is about war, you can add the fire effect. If there's a bad character, you might use the black fog effect. I've already used the luminance effect for the first scene. The frost effect didn't work, so I'll switch to the sun effect. If that doesn't work either, I'll just keep it normal. Next, I'll use the fire effect in the third scene to show how the Maya tribe punishes the losers. Feel free to play around with lots of effects to see what looks best in your video. Okay, let's add some music to the video. Selecting the right background music can enhance your video and take it to greater heights. YouTube Audio Library proves to be an excellent resource for discovering copyright-free music to complement your videos, but I will use Pixabay royalty-free music. We don't want to get weird with the music, so let's stick to using a motivational track even for this history video. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in motivational background music. This will filter the results to display only royalty-free music tracks suitable for motivational videos. Once you've chosen the background music that fits your video, click on the download button located next to the track. After completing the download, return to Capcut. Similar to how we handled the voiceover, import your chosen soundtrack and drop it into the timeline. Modify the soundtrack's volume by selecting it in the timeline and using the volume control. Now, for adding captions, go to the text section, then Auto Captions, and click Create. Capcut will automatically generate the captions for you. If it runs into any issues, just fix them by hand. Next, let's make the text look more appealing. Start by applying the pop-up animation. This will display the text word by word. Then change the font to the same one used by the channels we mentioned before. You can download this font for free. Finally, follow the adjustments shown on the screen, and your text will be all set. Now, let's see how the video's looking.
Once upon a time, two powerful kings, Cambyses and Amasis, lived in different places. Cambyses asked Amasis for a doctor, but the doctor was sad to leave his family. When the doctor went to Cambyses, he wanted to get back at Amasis.
There you have it. The video is done. Hopefully you have learned a lot from this tutorial and can get straight to making your viral historical videos. If you want to learn to make viral motivational shorts for your channel, click on the link that appears on the screen to watch my previous video on this topic. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. You can also comment, as I do my best to reply to every comment. Catch you all later.